Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. IIT's cutoffs, median salaries, and rankings will be shown and explained for each and every IIT which is there in India. There are total 23 IITs in India. Cutoffs shown here are category cutoffs and taken from College Pravesh website. And the median salary is the salary which is 50% of packages are higher than and 50% of packages are lower than. For example, if you have 5 students who got package of 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k, and 50k, the median salary is 30k. I think this made what median salary clear to you. And the rankings are totally based on present NIRF rankings. Okay, coming to 23rd IIT Jammu, it is established in the year 2016. Total number of seats here are 213. The seats increased in girls quota is not mentioned in any of this slide. Okay, coming to campus, it is a 400-acre campus, and as it is a new IIT, there is no record of placements, so we cannot speak about the median salary. Then coming to category-wise cutoffs, general category 1.9k, EWS 1.4k, OBC 4.6k, SC 2.6k, ST 991. The cutoffs shown here are totally category cutoffs. And coming to IIT Tirupati, it is established in the 2015. Total number of seats here are 203. If you talk about the campus, it is a 548-acre campus. Same like IIT Jammu, there is no record of placements. We will not talk much about the median salary. If you see the category wise cutoffs, general category 11.4k, EWS 1.2k, OBC 4k, SC 2.2k, ST 890. Next comes 21st IIT Palakkad. It is established in the year 2015. Coming to campus, it is a 505-acre campus. Total number of seats here are 181. Same like last two IITs, Jammu and Tirupati. Here also there is no record of placements, so we will not talk about median salary. Coming to category wise cutoff, general category is 11.3k, EWS is 1.2k, OBC is 3.9k, SC is 1.9k, ST is 817. Let me clear you one point. The cutoffs here mentioned are not for a particular branch or particular thing. This is the last rank of the student who got admission in IIT Palakkad in that category, irrespective of the branch. Let it be computer science, IT, mechanical, civil, anything. Let it be anything. The last rank of the student who got admission in the IIT is mentioned here as a cutoff. So, in the 20th place, IIT Bhilai, established in the 2016, and total area of the campus is 432 acres. Total number of seats is 143. Same. There is no record of placement, so we'll not talk much about the median salary. Coming to category wise cutoff, general category 9.8k, EWS 1.1k, OBC 3.6k, SC 1.9k, ST 848. Next, in the 19th place, IIT Dharwad, established in the year 2016. These are all the new NITs, so there is no much record on placements. Coming to campus, it is a 470-acre campus. Total number of seats is 137. Coming to category wise cutoffs, general category 10.3k, EWS 1050, OBC 3.6k, SC 2k, ST 790. Next, in the 18th place, IIT Goa, established in the year 2016. It is also one of the new IIT. Total number of seats is 150. Campus area is 470 acres. Coming to category wise cutoffs, general category 9.4k, EWS 1052, OBC 3.6k, SC 1.6k, ST 859. In the 17th place, IIT Jodhpur, established in the year 2008. Campus area is 852 acres. Total number of seats here are 352. Median salary is 9.4 lakhs per annum. Let me clear what is median salary once again. Means in this campus there are 50% of students who placed are above the 9.4 lakhs per annum package, and 50% students are below the 9.4 lakhs per annum package. So 9.4 is the median salary of the campus. And coming to category wise cutoff, general category 12.5k, EWS 1.4k, OBC 4.6k, SC 2.7k, ST 1.1k. Next comes in the 16th place, IIT Mandi, established in the year 2009. Total number of seats are 282. Coming to campus area, 538 acres. Talking about the median salary of the campus, it is 10 lakhs per annum. Category wise cutoffs, general category 9.3k, EWS 980, OBC 4k, SC 2.2k, ST 1.1k. And next comes the 15th place, IIT Patna, established in the year 2008. Total number of seats including all branches here are 361. If we talk about the area of the campus is 501 acres, and Coming to median salary of the IIT Patna, it is 10 lakhs per annum. Now talking about the category wise cutoffs, general category 12.1k, EWS 1.3k, OBC 4.2k, SC 2.5k, ST 1.1k. Now in the 14th place, IIT Ropar, established in the year 2008. Total number of seats are 346. Campus area is 501 acres. Median salary is 11.2 lakhs per annum. Coming to category wise cutoffs, general category 11.5k, EWS 1.2k, OBC 4070, SC 2.2k, ST 1.1k. In the 13th place, IIT Gandhinagar, established in the year 2008. Total number of seats are 212. Campus area is 400 acres. Median salary is 7.5 lakhs per annum. Category wise cutoffs, general category 9.3k, EWS 1.1k, OBC 3.2k, SC 2.4k, ST 1.1k. Now comes the IIT Bhubaneswar in the 12th place. It is established in the year 2008. Total number of seats are 419. Campus area is 936 acres. Median salary is 9 lakhs per annum. And if you see the category wise cutoffs, general category is 10.6k, EWS 1.1k, OBC 3.7k, SC 2.1k, ST 838. Next in the 11th place, it is IIT Dhanbad, which is also called as ISM, established in the year 1926, one of the oldest IIT, and the total number of seats here are 952. The total area of the campus is 680 acres. Median salary is 8.5 lakhs per annum. Coming to category wise cutoff, general category is 12, EWS 1265, OBC 4.3k, SC 2.6k, ST 1086. Then comes the IIT BHU Varanasi, established in the year 1919. Total number of seats in IIT BHU. BHU is nothing but Banaras Hindu University. Total number of seats in IIT Varanasi are 1346, and the campus is spread across 1300 acres. Median salary is 13.6 lakhs per annum. Coming to category wise cutoff, general category 11.7k, EWS 1.4k, OBC 4.4k, SC 2.7k, ST 1.1k. Next comes in the 9th place, IIT Indore, established in the year 2009. Total number of seats are 294. Campus area is, median salary is 13 lakhs per annum. Coming to category wise cutoffs, general category 9.8k, OBC 3.7k, SC 2.2k, ST 1069. Now here comes in the 8th place, IIT Hyderabad. Total number of seats are 317. Campus area is 576 acres. Median salary is 12 lakhs per annum. Category wise cutoffs are general category 7k, EWS 697, OBC 3k, SC 2k, ST 905. Next in the 7th place, IIT Guwahati, established in the year 1994. Total number of seats 795. Campus area is 700 acres. Coming to median salary 15 lakhs per annum. Talking about category wise cutoffs, general category 8.6k, EWS 1.1k, OBC 3.9k, SC 2.4k, ST 1028. And talking about IIT Roorkee, which is in the 6th place, one of the oldest IIT, 1847 establishment year. Total number of seats is 1136. Campus area is 365 acres. Median salary is 14.5 lakhs per annum. Coming to category wise cutoff, general category 8.3k, EWS 832, OBC 3.9k, SC 2.2k, ST 1.1k. In the 5th place, IIT Kharagpur, established in the year 1951. Total number of seats here are 1585, and it is the most biggest campus compared to all other IITs. It is spread across 2100 acres. Median salary is 14.2 lakhs per annum. Coming to category wise cutoffs, general category 8.1, EWS 828, OBC 3.5k, SC 2.1k, ST 1k. Then comes in the 4th place, IIT Kanpur, established in the year 1959. And talking about the total number of seats, here are 1016. Campus is spread across 1100 acres. Median salary is 15 lakhs per annum. Coming to category wise cutoffs, general category 8k, EWS 882, OBC 4k, SC 2.4k, ST 1083. And in the 3rd place, IIT Bombay, it is established in the year 1958. Total number of seats here are 1115, which is 1115. Median salary is 11.8 lakhs per annum. Talking about category wise cutoff, general category is 5.6k, EWS 639, OBC 2.9k, SC 1981, ST 650. Then talking about IIT Delhi, it is established in the year 1961. Total number of seats here are 1061. Campus is spread across 325 acres. Median salary is 15.7 lakhs per annum. Category wise cutoffs. General category 6.5k, EWS 694, OBC 3.2k, SC 2.1k, ST 1020. The topmost IIT and the topmost engineering college in India, IIT Madras, which is established in the year 1959. Many students have dream of getting seat here, which is IIT Madras, and total number of seats here are 967. Talking about median salary, it is 13.6 lakhs per annum. The campus is spread across 617 acres. And talking about the category wise cutoffs, general category is 6.6k, EWS is 812, OBC 2.4k, SC 1.7k, ST 840. Okay, this is the end of this video. IIT's cutoffs, median salaries and rankings. For more such updates, edu talks and tech vlogs, counseling related tech queries, please feel free to comment down. I request each and every one of you to share these videos with your friends and the family who really need them during this counseling time. And thank you. I hope every one of you like the presentation. If you find this as a time-worthy video, please give a big thumbs up. And please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.